Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the Everyday English podcast, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Anna.
And I'm Mark. We're so happy you're here with us today. This is the place for friendly, easy English conversations.
Yes, we want to help you feel confident and comfortable speaking English, even if you are just starting out. So, take a deep breath, relax, and let's learn together.
Today, we're talking about something I think everyone does sometimes. Me, I do it a lot. We're talking about overthinking.
Overthinking. It's a very common thing. Our hook for today is your mind never stops, even when your body is tired. Have you ever felt that, Mark?
Oh yes, many, many times. So, what does overthinking mean? It's simple. It means to think too much or to worry too much about something.
Exactly. Your thoughts are going and going and going, like a carousel. It's hard to stop. And today, we'll talk about why we do it, some simple English phrases to talk about it, and how we can feel better.
It's a very important topic for English learners, too. Sometimes you might overthink before you speak English, right? You worry about making a mistake.
Yes. So let's start with some common situations. Mark, can you think of a time you overthought something simple?
Okay. A very common one. Sending a text message. I write a message to a friend. Maybe I write, "Hi, do you want to have coffee tomorrow?" Then I look at it and I think, is this okay? Should I say hello instead of hi? Should I add a smiley face? I look at the message for 5 minutes. I am overthinking.
I do that too. It's so true. So, how can we say this in English? What are some phrases? A very easy one is, I'm thinking about this too much.
Yes, let's say that together, everyone, slowly. I'm thinking about this too much. Good. Another one is, I can't stop thinking about it.
Perfect. And a phrase with the word worry? I'm worrying too much about this. Let's practice that. I'm worrying too much about this.
Excellent. So let's make a little example conversation. Anna, you are my friend. I sent you a text message and you didn't reply quickly. I start to overthink.
Okay, I'll play along.
I sent Anna a message 2 hours ago. She didn't reply. Is she angry with me? Did I say something wrong?
Mark, don't overthink it. I was just in a meeting. My phone was silent. Everything is fine.
Ah, good. You're right. I was thinking too much. Thank you, Anna.
See, it's a very normal situation. Let's talk about another one. Meeting new people.
Oh, this is a big one. You go to a party or you start a new class, you see many new faces. Your mind starts to go very fast. What should I say? Do they like me? Do I look okay?
Yes. And for English learners, it can be even bigger. What if I need to speak English? What if I don't understand them? So many thoughts.
So, what are some phrases for this situation? You can say to a friend, I'm nervous about meeting new people.
Or you can say about your thoughts, my mind is too busy. That's a simple and beautiful way to say it. My mind is too busy.
I like that. Let's do another short conversation. Imagine we are at a small party, Anna.
Okay. I see you, Mark, and you look a little nervous.
Hi, Anna. There are so many people here.
I know. It can feel a little scary, but everyone is friendly. Just be yourself.
Thank you. I think my mind is just too busy. I'm nervous about saying the wrong thing.
You're doing great. Let's go talk to Tom. He's very nice.
Okay, that sounds good.
See? A little conversation can help so much. Now let's talk about the most important situation for our listeners.
Speaking English?
Yes, many English learners overthink before they even open their mouth. They think, my grammar is bad, my pronunciation is not perfect, I will make a mistake.
But the secret is everyone makes mistakes, even native speakers. The most important thing is to try. Communication is the goal, not perfection.
Absolutely. So, what do you think in your head when you have to speak English? Maybe, what if I make a mistake?
Or, I don't know the right words.
Those are very common thoughts. But here is a new positive phrase to think. Repeat after me. It's okay to make mistakes.
It's okay to make mistakes.
Let's say one more. I am learning. It's okay.
I am learning. It's okay.
Beautiful. Let's make a small example. Mark, you are in a coffee shop and you want to order a coffee in English.
Okay, I want a coffee with milk. Do I say a coffee with milk? Or a white coffee? What is the right word? My heart is beating fast.
Hello? What can I get for you today?
Hello? One coffee with milk, please.
Of course. Anything else?
No, thank you. See? It was easy. I overthought for nothing. The phrase, coffee with milk, was perfect.
And even if you said white coffee, the barista would understand you. The goal is to communicate. You did it.
So, we talked about 3 situations: sending messages, meeting people, and speaking English. Now what can we do? How can we stop overthinking? It's not easy, but there are some simple tricks.
Yes, the first one is very, very simple. Are you ready?
I'm ready.
Breathe. Just breathe. When you feel your mind is too busy, stop for a moment. Close your eyes if you can, and take one deep, slow breath. Try it with me, everyone. A deep breath in, and slowly out.
Wow. I already feel a little better. It's so simple, but it really works. It tells your body to relax.
It does. The second tip is to break down a big thing into small things. For example, speaking English for 1 hour can feel very, very big. It's scary.
But saying hello to one person is small. It's easy. So don't think I need to speak perfect English for 1 hour. Just think, I will say hello and how are you to my colleague. One small step.
Perfect example. A big party is scary, but talking to one person for 2 minutes is not so scary. Break it down.
And our third tip, talk to someone. Tell a friend, hey, I'm overthinking this. Saying it out loud can make the worry feel smaller.
Yes, you can say, I'm worrying about this. Can I talk to you? It's a very powerful phrase.
Now let's talk about some common mistakes, but not English mistakes. Common mistakes we make when we overthink.
The biggest mistake is we think about the worst possible situation. This is called catastrophizing. That's a big word, but the idea is simple. You imagine a catastrophe, a big disaster from a small thing.
For example, I made a small grammar mistake. Oh no, now this person will think I am not smart, they will not want to be my friend, I will be alone forever.
Mark, that is a very big story from one small mistake. The truth is, the other person probably didn't even notice your small mistake, or they forgot about it 2 seconds later.
Exactly. So, when you notice you are imagining a big disaster, stop. Ask yourself, is this probably true, or am I overthinking?
Another common mistake is waiting for the perfect moment. I will speak English when my grammar is perfect, or I will send that email when I find the perfect words.
But the perfect moment never comes. So it's better to just try. Do it now, even if it's not perfect. Done is better than perfect.
I love that. Done is better than perfect. Let's all remember that.
Okay, everyone, it's practice and recap time. Let's go over the key phrases we learned today for talking about overthinking.
We'll say each phrase slowly. Please repeat after us. It's great speaking practice.
First phrase, I'm thinking about this too much. I'm thinking about this too much. Your turn.
Great! Next, I can't stop thinking about it. I can't stop thinking about it.
Wonderful. Now with the word worry. I'm worrying too much about this. I'm worrying too much about this.
Perfect. How about this feeling? I'm nervous about meeting new people. I'm nervous about meeting new people.
And a beautiful simple one. My mind is too busy. My mind is too busy.
Now, the positive phrases. These are so important. Repeat after me. It's okay to make mistakes. It's okay to make mistakes.
Yes, and I am learning. It's okay. I am learning. It's okay.
And finally, the phrase to ask for help. I'm worrying about this. Can I talk to you? I'm worrying about this. Can I talk to you?
Excellent job, everyone. You are speaking English. Remember these phrases. You can write them in a notebook. Practice them.
And remember our tips to feel better. Number 1, breathe. Just one deep breath.
Number 2, break down a big thing into small things.
Number 3, talk to someone.
You don't have to fight overthinking alone.
Well, Mark, that was a wonderful conversation. I hope our listeners feel a little more relaxed and confident.
Me too. Remember, everyone, overthinking is very normal. But with these simple tools, you can make it a little quieter.
Yes, your English journey is beautiful. Be kind to yourself. Every small step is a big victory.
Thank you so much for listening to the Everyday English Podcast. If you liked this episode, please tell a friend.
Yes, please help us grow. You can subscribe to our channel on your favorite podcast app.
And if you're on YouTube, we would love it if you gave us a thumbs up and left a comment. Tell us, what do you overthink about? You can write in your language or try a simple English phrase. We read every comment.
We are so happy to be on this learning journey with you. So from both of us, Anna and Mark,
Keep practicing your English every day.
be brave, be kind to yourself, and we will see you next time.